How to download PayPal app. So if you want to download PayPal app, then first of all you can open up your Play Store application, and then after opening your Play Store, make sure to check your internet connection. So if you don't have a stable internet connection, then you won't be able to download it. And after that, go for the search bar and search for PayPal. And after searching, here you will have the application, right? So if you want to download and install this, then you can simply tap on install, and it might take some time depending on your data or your Wi-Fi connection. And after downloading, you can simply tap on open, which is on the right side, and from here you can simply sign up to your account or you can log into your account. That's it. That's how you download and install. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.